This feature alone is what keeps the Whoop MG as my main tracker above everything. And I'm not kidding, this is the future. I have been tracking everything about my body for the last 2 years, and now Whoop has connected the dots. The Whoop MG just unlocked the future. I'm talking about the Advanced Labs feature. Now the Whoop MG, I can safely say, is the complete tracker all around. And for stuff like this, the Whoop will always be my #1 overall tracker. Let's dive into the details. First of all, if you like this type of content, every week we review fitness trackers, wearables, tech bands, and everything regarding fitness. If your jam is health optimization, this is the place for you. Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I have been using the Whoop for years, pushing 3 years at this point, every day tracking everything. If you know me, you know I have tested everything. Garmin watches, Apple watches, Oura rings, you name it, I have tested it. But when Whoop MG launched the blood pressure tracking and now the Advanced Lab feature, this is it. I realized the Whoop isn't just a tracker, it's an overall fitness coach and doctor at this point. The amount of data that this thing knows about me is ridiculous. Better than any doctor or any coach there are. This is where recovery tracking meets medical data. Let's recap what the Whoop knows about me for 3 years straight every day. We're talking heart rate data during sleep and during exercises all day long. We're talking calories intake. It tracks everything I input into my FitnessPal every day. And I have been using my FitnessPal every day for 5 years. So the Whoop knows everything about my food for 3 years straight, every day. I'm talking calories intake and I'm talking macros. What else the Whoop knows? It knows my VO2 Max, it knows my daily steps, it knows my favorite exercises, it knows how many minutes I spend in each zone every day for 3 years. And since the MG, it knows my blood pressure every day for almost 7 months now, and now it knows my blood history. This is incredible. This is the future. I already have uploaded my previous 4 tests from the last 2 years. As you can see on the screen, I have in my history 4 tests I have uploaded and reviewed. I will show you the uploading process right now because I just did a recent lab test 2 days ago and I just got the results yesterday, and I decided to do it on camera with you guys. If you don't know about the Advanced Lab feature, it's now live in the US. You can upload your previous test and you can now schedule blood tests within the Whoop app. But here in Dubai, it's only allowing me to upload my previous test and tests I did from a third-party service. And next year is gonna be allowing me in Dubai to schedule the blood tests within the Whoop app itself. But at this point in Dubai, I can only upload my tests from my previous years and any other third-party company. And that's exactly what I did. Shout out to the Valeo team, the best blood testing service in the UAE. I have been working with these guys for over 2 years, doing my blood test with them because they are the most convenient service at the UAE. You just book your blood test over the app, as you can see on Valeo. You pick the blood test you want to do. For example, I did the advanced male blood test, and you click book now. You add whatever you want to add, then you proceed to cart and you pick the timing and date, and they show up at your door 6 a.m. sharp. And what I love about them is that they always send me all the stuff I need before the test itself. They remind me to stay fasting, and they remind me to be ready before the certified technician shows up at my door, and they show up 6 a.m. to the minute. By far, Valeo is the best service here in the UAE, hands down. As you can see, after I took the sample, they send me the next day the result, and they send me a free consultation with Dr. Mahmoud Musa, their in-house doctor, to go over my test and revise everything I need to do with an action plan in the future. And that's exactly what Whoop does, but you can do it here in the Valeo with an actual doctor. As you can see, I can book a consultation right now for free. Let's get back to my results. As you can see, I can see in the top here the highlights, the out of range stuff, and I can download at the bottom here the lab results in PDF. After I download it, I go to the Whoop app and I upload a test. As you can see, I give it a name. I did it at the 4th of November test. test. Data collected 4th of November. I timed the data collection time at 6 a.m. I said save. They give me some instructions before I upload. As you can see, you can choose from the images or you can choose from a PDF file. The AI is so smart. As you can see, they will give you a confirmation before you proceed. One document, 15 pages. We will click save. As you can see now, it's pending, analyzing your upload. In 2 minutes or so, they will give me everything ready. So now the Whoop will know about my blood markers, 5 tests, so I can see my trends over 2 years. It's a game-changing feature. We will see how we can implement it right now. As you can see, it's analyzing my upload. I've been doing tests with Valeo since 2023. I did it 18th of March 2023, 27th of October 2023. I did one test in 2024. I was busy that year. I did at the 17th of May 2024, and I did a previous test this year at 9th of May, and now the 4th of November. This test, as you can see, it's still analyzing. We will ask the Whoop coach an action plan to understand my previous trends and see what we can do in the future, because it knows everything about me: my sleep, my heart rate data, my exercises, my steps, my nutrition, my blood pressure, and my blood markers. Everything will be taken into consideration in that action plan. This is game changing, guys. And I'm particularly excited about knowing my test levels because I've been cutting for the last 2 months. Let's see if the test level has dropped. I made sure that my markers and my sleep schedule were on point. I'm not exaggerating. This is the best period in my life, in my health optimization journey. As you can see, my recovery score just today is 96. My HRV is 173. My resting heart rate is 47. This is the best period in my life. So I decided, since my markers are amazing at this point, it's the best time to do another blood test and update the system. As you can see, it's almost finished. Now it tells me to verify. As you can see, the AI read everything in the PDF file. You will click save. Now it's finalizing my upload to start studying it. This is game changing, guys. I'm not kidding. The Whoop has unlocked the future of health optimization. No other tracker knows this stuff about you like the Whoop. No kidding, it's in a league of its own right now. Once it finalizes the upload, we will see what's outside of the healthy range and take it from there. What's annoyed me about blood testing in the past, that I got the results but I didn't know what to do with it. I want to know how I can connect the dots. What can I do to improve it? What does the actual readings mean? And I want to see a trend or a graph over the years to see if I'm in the healthy range, I'm progressing, or I'm declining. This is now the point of this. The Whoop is simplifying understanding your body to the highest level. Okay, now it's done. The Whoop has studied my latest one. If we click on it, let's see what's outside of the range. We can see the creatinine ratio. We can see the blood urea nitrogen is out of range. We can see the free testosterone is out of range. As you can see, guys, I'm not enhanced, and the lymphocyte is out of range, and the SHBG is out of range. We also have stuff that's sufficient, that's good, but needs optimizing, as you can see, and we have optimal stuff. If we click on anything, for example, the kidney profile, we can see the trend over time. Is it getting better? Is it getting worse? As you can see in here, it's getting worse. It's increasing over time, so I need to see what's that all about. We can ask it here, what is the blood urea nitrogen? It's measuring nitrogen from urea, a waste product made from when liver processes protein. The kidneys filter urea. Why it matters? It signals the kidney strain. So apparently my kidneys are working over time. Relationship to other biomarkers, as you can see, this is crazy. Dehydration causes this, and electrolytes. I need to work on doing more electrolytes. Okay, I want to see also the total testosterone. Let's see. I want to show you guys as well. Over 2 years, oh, my total testosterone is 577. Actually, not bad. I'm cutting at this point. Over the years I've been testing, I've been hovering over 500, then going under 300 as you can see, then up to 577. So natural guys. I need more enhancement at this point, but I'm really surprised that this is my total T, especially because I'm cutting right now. So not bad, not bad. Okay, so every marker, if you click on it, you can see the trend over time. You can see why it matters. You can see the relationship to other biomarkers and stuff like that. Let's ask the Whoop coach to give us analysis, as you can see, with few areas worth attention. It's asking me, do you want to know how your recent recovery, strain, and sleep might be impacting these results? Yes, for sure. Please analyze my high outside of the range markers and give me why the trend has been going in my kidney profile so high over the years, taking in consideration my sleep data, my exercise data, my heart rate data, my nutrition and calories intake data, and my recent strain data, and the blood pressure data. Tell me why this is happening and how we can improve it. Let's go. This is the future, guys. No doctor would know this much stuff about you, and no other coach will as well. The Whoop is on your hand 24/7. As you can see, it's gathering what I have shared with the coach, and it's checking the available biomarker data. Let's see. As you can see, Islam, here's the detailed review of your high outside of the range kidney profile along with trends with your Whoop data. Kidneys shows these patterns over time. It's been going up and up and up. Okay, why the ratio is persistently high? Key observation, your creatinine is normal but bun jumps notably on some labs, causing the bun creatinine to spike. Most recently, the ratio can elevate in dehydration, high protein breakdown. I've been doing a lot of protein lately. One most common, how your data fits in. Sleep patterns over the past year, you achieve high sleep performance and consistency. As you can see, occasional drop, average frequent moderate to high daily strain, many days in 10-15 range and some over. What can we do? Final perspective, appeals optimal, intense training, possible hydration gaps, and protein metabolism. Give me an action plan. What can I do to improve it, taking in consideration everything about my daily activity and my daily calories intake and my steps and my sleep? What can I do to improve my blood markers in the future? This is literally life-changing, guys. Okay, what can we do? When I hit my high strain, I should plan a recovery day afterwards. Okay, I need to track more my hydration, especially with high protein intake days. Aim for steady balanced calories and protein. If you notice a week of especially hard training, it's smart to slightly post total calories. Optimize sleep during peak week. Show your recovery is green before pushing hard again. This is crazy good. Meter protein intake, keep steady. Keep your protein intake steady. Don't go high and low. Make the hydration a part of your daily routine. Use easy days as genuine recovery, not just less running, because it knows even on my recovery days I jog, so I need to stop the easy running thing. This is amazing. This is literally the future, guys. I'm impressed. I have never pushed you to buy anything, but if this does not convince you, then nothing would. The Whoop is literally life-changing at this point. I have a plan to execute on for the next couple of weeks to improve my markers. This is game-changing, and this is only the beginning. It's only gonna get better from here. It's crazy how this is just the beginning, man. The Whoop now is in a league of its own. If you found this video helpful, please go watch this one. I'll be reviewing the Whoop MG from top to bottom as a real athlete, a day in the life. Nobody's gonna show you this. Go watch it. I'll see you there.
And she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cardi J's, and the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money she earning. Give me